A rectangular plate of negligible weight is held horizontally by 4 wires of equal length at A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. If minimum force in any one of the wire is 2.2 kilonewton, find the forces in remaining wires. So this is a basic question on stress force system. So since this is wire, there will be a development of tensile force in each and every wire here, and it is given that in any one of the wire the minimum force is 2.2 kilonewton. So I can consider here force in any one of the wire as 2.2. I will consider it later on. Firstly, I am marking the tensile force developed in each of the cable. This is TC, this is TD. I am used to call this as a TA, and this will be TB. And this is my x-axis, y-axis and z-axis as provided in the numerical. Now I am going to apply the conditions of equilibrium. Summation Fy is equals to 0. Upward positive, downward negative. Now TA is acting upward, so plus TA plus TB plus TD plus TC minus 16 is equals to 0. I am taking it as a equation 1. Now I am going to take moment about axis here. Firstly, I will take moment about x-axis and then I will take moment about z-axis. Moment about x-axis is equals to 0. So moment of TA and TB at x-axis will be 0. Moment of this TC at x-axis will be, again the sign convention will be clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. Moment of this TC at x will be TC into 400, and how it is acting? Clockwise. And moment of this TD at x will be TD at x will be TD into 400, and it is acting clockwise. And moment of this 16 at x, 16 into 150, and how it is acting? Anti-clockwise. So minus 16 into 150 is equals to 0. Therefore 400 TC plus 400 TD is equals to 16 into 150, 2400, marking it as a equation 2. Now I am taking moment about z-axis. Moment about z-axis is equals to 0. Now then moment at z-axis TD and TA will be 0. Moment of this 16 at z-axis will be 16 into 200 acting clockwise. Moment of this TC at z-axis will be TC into 500 acting anti-clockwise. Moment of this TB at z-axis will be TB into 500 acting anti-clockwise is equals to 0. Therefore, I can say here 500 TC plus 500 TB is equals to 3200, equation 3. So since it is mentioned in the numerical, I can take value of any one of the force which if the minimum force in any one of the member is 2.2 kilonewton, I can assume here minimum force in the wire B in the wire C as 2.2. Can I assume TC is equals to 2.2 kilonewton? Now I can put the value of TC as 2.2 kilonewton in equation 3 or equation 2. Put in 3. Since it is mentioned in the numerical, we are going to assume that in any one of the member or in any one of the wire, the tensile force is 2.2 kilonewton. I assume it for wire TC. Put in 3. Therefore, 500 into 2.2 plus 500 TB is equals to 3200. So 3200 minus 500 into 2.2 divided by 500. Therefore, the value of TB will be 4.2 kilonewton. Same thing, I can put the value of TB as 4.2 in equation 1. Put in 1. TA is unknown, so I am keeping it like this. TB is 4.2 as we got here. TD is again unknown. Then TC is 2.2 minus 16 is equals to 0. But here there are two unknown. So basically I should solve here first to put the value of TC is equals to 2.2 in equation 2. Then I will able to calculate TA and TD. By putting TC as 2.2 kilonewton in equation 2, 400 into 2.2 plus 400 TD is equals to 2400. Therefore, the value of TD will be 3.8 kilonewton. Now, I am marking this as a equation 4. Put TC is equal to 3.8 kilonewton in equation 4. Therefore, TA 4.2, TD 3.8 plus 2.2 minus 16 is equals to 0. 4.2 plus 3.8 plus 2.2 minus 16. Therefore, TA will be 5.8 kilonewton. So here we got the value of TA, TB, TC and TD. Only one thing that we have to remember while solving the question on space force system, that take moment about some axis. When you are going to take moment, keep your one finger on the moment force and one finger on moment center, and that will be your respective distance to multiply it by that particular force. For example, TC at X will be, I am keeping one finger here and one finger on my moment destination center. So the distance is 400. So TC into 400. For example, I want to take moment of this 16 kilonewton at X. So I am keeping one finger on 16 and another on my moment center. 16 into 150. 16 at this. So 16 into 200. So it will give you better idea to take what will be your distance while taking the moment. Thank you.